Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can horizontally scroll in macOS using a mouse that only has a vertical scroll wheel. You don't need to enable any settings in macOS for this to work, and it works at both the system and application level. To begin with, I've got a Finder window open and a Firefox window with a website open that has a horizontal scrolling part to it. To scroll horizontally in Finder, simply press and hold Ctrl and Shift at the same time, and then scroll up or down on your mouse's scroll wheel in the window. As you can see, it works as intended. Release both keys when you're done, and then you can vertically scroll as normal. With a web page or a part of an application, such as the timeline in DaVinci Resolve, move the mouse to that point, which in this case is the weather forecast, and then press and hold Ctrl and Shift again, and then scroll up or down on the vertical scroll wheel. Release the keys to go back to vertical scrolling just like we did in Finder. And that is all you need to do. If you do have a mouse with a horizontal scroll wheel, this will still work if you want or need to use the vertical scroll wheel instead. If you found this useful, please like the video, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.